I was saying for Andy Cam Sports TV. I would want some and Saka as usual. And I game it to me, of course, so the Bank of America Stadium, Chelsea versus Benfica. And I made a whole reaction from the players. The CEO Park and so fans and someone walking mede ɛbrɛ mu ɛwɔ hɔ a ɛnɛ anɔpa yi na saa bere sɛ wohwɛ video yi a na wa like page no na wa subscribe na wa share video no na obiara nso anya bi ahwɛ na biribiara nso atimi ayɛ kamakama ɛwɔ hɔ ɛyɛ de FIFA Club World Cup ɛho nsɛnsɛm ɛna mede ba especially the Chelsea match a ɛna ɔmo bɔɔyɛ ɛwɔ the Bank of American Stadium ɛno na ɛyɛ the Old Fox once again ɛna na ɛhyia in a competition over the FIFA Club World Cup. Now, a Benfica and the Chelsea and a boom. Now, before the game, yeah, the can say the last 3 games are Benfica and Chelsea abono. And now there's a Benfica and your baby Egina. Now, Chelsea Bubukua, Omutimi Benfica yipa. Now, Enra, and I'm a charge to Muse and penny for the Casabi, a bar say, Utimi Futimua, Roa Kawafu Abatino, Enra, and I'm Sam Billy Wu, Sakasana. Eya ne mpimpi no yɛta ɛka no ɛno ane da mesan agye saa deɛ no etimi atum ɛwɔ hɔ ɛnom hwɛ the performance a Chelsea etimi ɛdan na di ɛwɔ ɛhɔ nom ana bibia ɛkyerɛ sɛ clearly Chelsea etim a ɔmo tim a yɛfrɛ no ɛyɛ Benfica yi papa ɛnso ɛwɔ hɔ game no start as usual. Enzo Maresca started with a team na ɛno ano ɔhyi papa with the Chelsea and the changes back on I mean we by now you're fan I want just here, but obviously the coach decided to go in for passing and so here starting goalkeeper Robert Sanchez, James Cucurella, Badiashile, Levi Cowell, Robio Lavia, super player, Moise Casedo, Enzo Fernandez, Cole Palmer, Pedro Neto, and then Liam Delap. Now, Enra, that was the lineup I coach, at the start, a strong midfield lineup. And I coach, at the start, and now be anti at the country about the Ashele boy, ahead of Toyson before later, but the Ashele prior Toyson eating a buyer. But clearly, coach, this is a team and say, obey dominate the game now, boy, against team, my friend, Benfica, no. Also, Bruno Lage team, no. Any the team, I will bet me a stop on the midfield, but because very can say Benfica teams and Pempia who quality no. We experienced once and now be who not so much quality within the ranks. Into plan up Enzo Maresca call and say, Obe kura ball no. Net my friend Benfica control space. In general, Obi ehu ya the 4-2-3-1 no setup was clearly different. Oma Kopama ko left an unfamiliar role who say Kopama ebobida and Oma Pedro Neto echo right and Oma Enzo be ball Liam Delapachi and Oma Romeo Lavia and Casedo war central midfield. So at a point o changing the game no to the Vittorio Pozzo Metodo 3-2-3-2 system and I who said you know the ball into the back four no, at a point a back 3 of Reece James Levi Cowell Badiashile. Wow, she game ni ye pa first half no. The chunk of the first half na a 3 back in terms of Chelsea setup no so mo ko attack. E kwa na coach the first set up no. The 3 no na wabo Moise Casedo any Romeo Lavia just in front of them. Na wabo Cole Palmer from the left. Pedro Neto wa na wabo Abrantia ye Fredo. Cole Palmer enso ewa and then Obo Enzo Fernandez na Enzo nso ene Liam Delap ewo animu nti that was the style our coach etimi edi ruamu ewo game na Benfica as usual na omuntimi the heater na Chelsea air power no on the field of play no na we say several chances were created. Marco Cucurella nya opportunity no be enim so with the ball betimi ato atrem but again Anatoly Treben or no any goalkeeper Enra Osewu Benfica Bobokunum and he was all over the place na who said the beer ball with Fabiano Krem the short Kopama boy otimi save shot no again the beer na Chelsea be Fabiano na Abrante Fen Anatoly Treben the goalkeeper for Benfica na ono so try say maba kokra emfem because no so person keep the team no in the competition until free kick bi by ɛna Reece James ko gyina akyi na mpempin so wo player na adwen yɛ adwuma ɛyɛ na unya nti Reece James ko gyina akyi no ɛna ɔhwɛ the position of goalkeeper no ɛna ɔhwɛ the position of wall no ɛna ɔhu sɛ kopa ama bɔ na goalkeeper na yi neto bɔ na goalkeeper na yi Moise Caicedo bɔ na goalkeeper na yi nti ɔso ɔhwɛ the position ni very well na o decide sɛ ɔbɛ go in for placement and ɔbɛ go in for power and then Reece James position him very well and ɔkɛlɛ ball to the first pole because na goalkeeper na baha kakra ɛna ɔde ball no to first pole no to goalkeeper no ɛntumi anya ho hwee ɛna ball no ɛtumi ɛtɔ atenam ɛwɔ hɔ na ball no tɔ atenam still na ɛyɛ Chelsea ana ɛsa afa baabi a adwuma na Benfica yɛ ana sɛ goalkeeper Treben and then aberante ɛfɛ no ɛyɛ Antonio Silva and then Nicolas Otamendi mpanimfoɔ sɛ abebi wu ano na ɛso Otamendi paa na otumi bɔ akyire ɔyɛ flawless you see the experience no and Di Maria 1 or 2 tries obetumi ayɛ bibi Pavlidis mo try and Fiorentino Luis na ɔyɛ back to battle the midfield no but still no ntimi anko yi amfa ama ɛyɛ Benfica Chelsea holding on to Omuwanim control bibia. It was a clear one-way traffic, dominant Chelsea team who were all over the place. Now, ready so Omo qualify to the next stage of the competition. Inti Enra, one who said Obi binya bad day on the field. Obi try say Obi do betimi. The only unfortunate incident, and I say Abrante aye friend Liam Delap, he was sluggish. Na ni who knew match him. The firepower na Chelsea edi gina anymore na ontimi ade up. Inti clearly who are now on PC Jackson, baby, going forward. Jackson obviously come back because the lap game na kabi brebe. Maybe I feel now about if it take time now I join no no ati na say, but I know he or just off. A Juma and Koso ye wo anymore no. Na untimi yet. But one player that impressed me so much was Kupama. And he impressed because of ball now boy. He impressed me because me who say ball left side, the friend number 11 that. Because then one end zone and a ball 10. Na Kupama all left and the two right. But he really played and played very well. And this tournament, Yakasa Unia a very good tournament, but then Cole really played and played very well. At the creative spark of the Chelsea team. And again, it's me a course and society by other players about on the field of play. Malo goes to Toys and Eba B, but they actually because of injury. Now game no course in 4 minutes to the end of the game. And as usual, the adverse weather. Storms, any heat a bar stadium hono. Referee Francois Letizier a born up and say, born said a shows ya bar stadium hono dear. And now there's a game on between at so and almost suspended no tournament in the new win one match. Yeah, but ya suspended and almost suspended match and a cry or the Bank of America Stadium, fans in every stance in him, players in the dressing the hall. And then grab an ejima Kupama or chess ano na bring game in a muscle the buff you know bar park so bush so what is going on a dear na ekoswa e wo born a tournament a mo born kakra bia na o mabriki kakra bia na o matin abriki na o katen so nya abotre because weather there o need the hand to control the weather and then Kupama etias until later and o back to the field for almost 2 hours na Chelsea back to the field as against Benfica. Into omu buy no omu bo game no yeah, both 4 minutes near the time at so na point 90 minutes na so referee no the time added on no at so omu bo game na and na head the be buy Nicolas Otamendi copying ball here na ball e Malo goes to inside the one of Benfica players no do omu nsa kire say a penalty and a referee so a pointy to abroad via by no announce say player na friend Malo goes to no making a body ne bigger in Tisadia a penalty and then it do why experience sense in Fabian and Di Maria na already seen the family no emotions na almost so uncover penalty in no and Di Maria clearly able penalty no it mean a say my game route me and they 1-1 extra time Benfica nya red card Abrantia your friend Cristiani so ekunya red card am waiting a friend Benfica Chelsea etwa so a soldier eating a good almost because no more quality of make amends and Christopher Nkuku nya second goal no Ede Maomo and then Abranti FN Pedro Neto and so Ede Babeka and then Duke Abranti FN Dewsbury Hall and so Ede Bako Ebeka home Emma Chelsea team winning by 4-1 after extra time, an emphatic victory, a dominant one. And Chelsea said, Oma, you're ready for the competition. Oma started a sluggish play, but again, baby, you know, a separated boys from the men, and that is where Chelsea are fully arrived at. And Omotimi Emma Tima, your friend, a year Benfica by 4-1. Until an American Chelsea and penny for say, so to me, 14 or roll for Betty. Benfica here the omo baby they cannot match Chelsea because Chelsea quality no omo intimi enyina ano. Kakra bi on the transfer story sir. Chelsea so aswe Jimmy Gaitins na medical na booked to say you bibia Chelsea or Chelsea player and so ewo ho a bibia betibi akoso yi e de ama Chelsea omo nya Gaitins na ono nso eba besi akan de ama omo abrante no de bia oba jebo ejenya ma bedru abrante na ba oba besi akan de ama Chelsea João Pedro Chelsea e de 60 million koye team a ye friend Brighton say omo epe Chelsea the 58 rather than koye omo say omo pay 60 million 60 million is come ready so omo beje na omo ajai abrante na ba beka Chelsea and mo na bibia timi akoye Enzo Maresca say pe baby about FIFA Club World Cup US in town e ho nya baby o say FIFA Club World Cup supporters ma whether nye that will fear and the euphoria no ntini kwase ho eno mbebo the FIFA Club World Cup we from the camp of Chelsea omo news and omo stories amede ebremo Chelsea have the Blues clearly they are really back omo set up a quarter final against a Brazilian side Palmeiras and don't forget say ho no omo darling boy Esteban William Esinakan you better how Ebe Ferreira and then the likes of Paulino Alan and then around their friend Fish how they will set up against Chelsea or the quarter final stage of the competition. Chelsea are there, and for me, this is one of the best games I'm actually under Enzo Maresca. And then say you could share second goal no na Udimrika na eligibility. Chelsea did well. They were so special yesterday. They really played and they showed why more advantage anytime against my friend Benfica. Chelsea deserve their spot, and for me, they work for it. I am the Ken Sport TV on YouTube. Don't forget, so obeshi video no open sweating any biashe. I am the BBC.